Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you the super long wooden table that is up to, I want to say, 8 people. You can put 2 people, one right here and one right here on the front for sure, on the sides, and you can put up to 3 right there and 3 right here as well. So it's up to 6 people and 8 people as well. So this is meant to be for, again, for gatherings or like big families or something like that, because this is a 79 by 30 by 36 inches wooden table. This is acacia wood table. I'm gonna actually take it to you on a close-up so you can see it better. But the bottom line, this is a really nice table. For sure, it's outdoor proof, so it means that it's waterproof and weatherproof. So it's very thick, as you can see. But the best thing about this one was the assembly process. Everything comes almost right out of the box. So every piece of table comes already with the screws and everything. So you don't have to put any screws on that part of the table, like in the wooden part. You just need to put this bracket right here and the other bracket right here, and you're done with the actual table. And then you put out the metal parts, like the rustic metal parts, like the legs and the support, like support beam in the middle. And that's it, you're done. So this was actually, I think it took us 15 minutes, no more than that, just 15 minutes. And that's it. We really like this table. Let me actually show it to you on a close-up so you can see how gorgeous it looks. It's really nice. It's a really nice and fine table. I want to say, like, it's good for, again, for like a big gatherings or something like that. As I was saying before, these are the brackets. You can see how thick they are, and this is quite heavy. This table is actually quite heavy, so that actually translates into good quality. As I was saying before, it's weather and waterproof. You can see each one of these beams that kind of like comes together with a beam that is crossing all the table right here. You have one here, and the 2 brackets on the side with 2 thick beams right here as well. And the legs, as I was saying before, supports all the weight. But the best thing about this one, as I was saying before, is kind of like how good it looks in terms of kind of like the top table right here is rustic, it's vintage, it's kind of like wooden with the metal parts, make a whole set of a really nice patio chair and table. So one more time from that side, from one of the sides, you can see how good it looks. I like it. We like it very much. Super easy to assemble. Really thick, really heavy. 80 inches, almost 79.6 inches by 30 by 36. And you can fit up to 6 people. Super comfortable. We like it. We do recommend it. Thumbs up for sure. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.